Usually, you probably know that I usually care more about communication rather than being perfect. But there are some really small mistakes that you can easily correct to make your English sound more polished and professional. I asked my teachers, what are the top mistakes you wish your students would stop making? And you know what the number one mistake was? The S. Forgetting the S in the third person. So I go, you go, he goes. And also forgetting the S on plurals. There's one phone and two phones. So just ask yourself the question next time you're speaking English. Did you miss off the S for the third person or for a plural? Unless, of course, it's an irregular plural, and then you don't need to worry about it. For example, one child, two children. And most important of all, irregular plural, one person, two people.